Okay, so I just read about this command line tool that downloads all your iCloud photos. Sounds handy, right?
Totally. I mean, having all your photos in one place is essential. I'm curious, how does it actually work?
Well, it works on Linux, Windows, and macOS, so that's pretty versatile. You can run it directly or use package managers like Docker or NPM.
That's interesting. But wait, does that mean you need some tech know-how to set it up?
Kind of, there are specific prerequisites like enabling access to iCloud data on the web. Otherwise, you're hit with an access denied error.
Ah, I see. That might trip some people up. What about the actual downloading process? Is it straightforward?
Yeah, it breaks it down into three modes: copy, sync, and move. Each serves a different purpose depending on how you want to manage your files.
So if I want to keep my local files updated, I guess I'd use Sync. That seems super practical.
Exactly, plus, it even deletes local files that were removed from iCloud. But I wonder, does that create a risk of losing photos?
That's a good point. If someone accidentally deletes a photo from iCloud, it's gone from their local copy too. A bit risky, huh?
Right, that's why the copy mode might feel safer for some. You get to keep everything until you're sure.
So what about the features? I heard it supports raw images and live photos.
Yes, it automatically separates live photos into image and video files. That's pretty cool for photographers.
Definitely, but how does it handle duplicates? My library is full of similar photos.
Good news, it has automatic deduplication, so if the photos have the same name, it takes care of that for you.
That's a relief. But I'm curious, does this tool manage photo metadata too?
Yep, it can update EXIF metadata using specific options. That's great for keeping your photo details intact.
I love that, but there's this experimental mode too, right? What's going on there?
Yeah, they test new features in that mode before integrating them into the main package. A bit of a beta testing vibe.
I wonder if that leads to inconsistencies. What if something breaks? That's a risk.
True, but it's a way to innovate. Users can try new features early on, which is exciting.
I guess it does keep things fresh. Still, some might avoid it if they prefer stability.
Exactly, balancing innovation with reliability can be tricky, especially for casual users.
And what about contribution? Are they really looking for help?
Yes, it's maintained by volunteers. They actively encourage contributions, which is awesome for community involvement.
That's really cool. It feels good to have a hand in developing tools we actually use.
For sure, but it also raises questions about long-term maintenance. How sustainable is that?
I think it depends on the enthusiasm of the contributors. If interest wanes, that could be problematic.
Right, and as technology evolves, will this tool keep up? That's a concern.
Good point. Constant updates are essential, especially with new iCloud features coming out.
So all in all, while this tool has amazing features, it also comes with some risks and uncertainties.
Exactly. It's about weighing those pros and cons based on individual needs. Fascinating, right?
Definitely, and it's intriguing to think about how user-driven projects evolve over time.
Agreed. What's your take on the future of open source tools like this? Will they dominate?
I think they have a strong chance, especially as more people seek customizable solutions, but sustainability remains key.
For sure. And it's exciting to think about how collaborative projects might shape tech in the future.
Exactly, this conversation really makes me think about the impact of community-driven development.
Same here. It's a great example of how people can come together to create something useful.
And who knows, maybe we'll see more tools like this emerge as needs evolve.
That would be amazing. It opens the door for innovation, especially in managing personal data.
Right, so with all this in mind, what features would you want to see in future versions?
Maybe better integration with other cloud services. That could expand usability.
Oh, absolutely. Bridging gaps between platforms would make life so much easier for users.
Definitely. It's all about convenience and accessibility in our digital lives.
Exactly, and as we move forward, collaboration in tech will be more crucial than ever.